Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why England restored the monarchy. After years of civil war and the execution of King Charles I, England entered a period of republican rule. This era, known as the Commonwealth, saw Oliver Cromwell rise to power as Lord Protector. However, his government struggled with legitimacy and widespread support. Many people yearned for the familiar structure and perceived stability that a monarchy offered, leading to significant political shifts. The Commonwealth period, particularly under Oliver Cromwell, was marked by considerable instability. His rule, often seen as authoritarian and heavily reliant on the army, generated significant opposition. After Cromwell's death, his son Richard proved unable to maintain control, leading to a leadership crisis. The constant political maneuvering and the army's heavy hand in governance further fueled public dissatisfaction, making a return to monarchy seem increasingly appealing to many. A deep desire for peace and stability permeated English society after years of conflict and republican experimentation. The Commonwealth had failed to deliver the lasting order many hoped for, and the constant changes in government were exhausting. The monarchy, despite its past issues, symbolized a return to a known and established system. Key figures, like General George Monk, recognized this widespread sentiment and began to orchestrate the return of the exiled king, Charles II. Ultimately, the widespread yearning for stability, combined with the failures of the Commonwealth, paved the way for the monarchy's return. King Charles II, son of the executed king, was formally invited back to England to reclaim his throne. His arrival marked the end of the republican experiment and ushered in a new era of royal rule, known as the Restoration. This event fundamentally reshaped England's political landscape. For more insights into managing your own kingdom of wealth, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.